This is Judge Judy. It was Judy.
Lori Hanson is suing Georgette Davenport for medical bills and property damage due to Georgette Davenport.
That's case number 95 on the calendar.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Judge. Parties have been sworn in. You may be seated. Gentlemen, have a seat. Huh?
You were parked in a parking lot, and Miss Hanson pulled in her car into the parking lot, and an altercation fortunately ensued. Am I correct that you were sitting in your car when she pulled up?
Yeah.
And when she got out of her car door hit your sauce?
Yes.
It hit her property.
Yes, it
That
did.
was the wrong thing to happen.
Yes, ma'am.
You did it anyway. You're not a small person.
Listen.
What are you, an idiot? Why didn't you pull closer to the other side? What are you trying to squeeze of this 6-inch space for? Did you park too close to her car?
It was a very tight space, and
Did you park too close to her car? When you got out of your car,
touched it.
That was wrong, that it was too close to her car. You know, you really could have moved a little over to the left.
I didn't want to deal with her because of my weight, and at that point, I was doing this. And I was doing this.
Okay, you can't do that. You can respectfully disagree all you like. That's why the police arrested you, and that's what I saw. Do we have anything else?
I have medical records.
I'm not interested in your medical records. We're not there. I don't care. You hit her first.
No, ma'am, I did not.
Well, that...
And at that point, I use a cane.
I understand.
But and then she broke my phone.
I'm not interested, actually.
Because of my weight, I did have to hobble all over the parking lot.
I'm not interested, actually. I'm reading the police report.
Okay.
Hanson was found to be...
Don't you know how to park a car? But I can tell you that her fingers are long and slim and very soft and cold because they were around my neck.
What I saw.
Feelings are already like all over the place. I just had to let loose.
Your case is dismissed. We're done. You.
Thank you.
Oh, start that again. Go back.
I was doing this. And I was doing this.
I want to see that again.
No.
Car.
Don't talk to me.
Car.
And now, the next case.
Jean Massey is suing her former criminal Teresa Carter for filing false landlord charges.
How did you know the defendant?
She worked at my children.
You have 3 children?
Yes, 2.
And what was the rent?
The initial offer was for $500.
$526. When did you give her the $600?
I gave her $94 the day before, February 26th, February 27th.
Okay. You can't stay, you have to leave.
No.
The next day?
No.
Go.
No. I had nowhere else to go.
Okay. How much money did you receive from Miss Massey?
$694.
Whatever. So I left to take the truck back. I had to go to the old place. So 3 or 4 phone calls kept coming to my phone. You know, you already have my money. So, well, I'll call you back. I'll work something out. Maybe about an hour later, 3 or 4 phone calls kept coming to my phone.
So she called you back and she said, no, that's not going to work. What were you thinking that you would do?
Well, I just wanted her to understand that.
Just a second. I don't understand what that means.
What do you mean, Judge?
Well,
so it would have been March.
So what you didn't want...
No, I had no problem with the deposit.
But either the $694 was security deposit or the $694 was rent.
What do you mean, Judge?
What was it in your mind?
It was rent.
It was rent. And what was it in your mind?
It was rent, ma'am. I did not even charge her a deposit.
Then she said, well, month and a month. It was too confused. It was trouble already.
Okay, got it. Then you called the police.
Real cases, real people, real Judge Judy.
Jean Massey says former landlord Teresa Koch owes for the return of rent and for filing false garage door charges.
Police arrived, and this was on the 27th.
February 26th.
Miss Carter, you signed a note that you would return her rent.
I did, ma'am.
Good. I'd like to see that note.
No.
You have to give her her money back.
Okay.
She says that you took out the police.
Yes, ma'am.
She decided to do this.
Sis.
Tell me what happened as a result of her filing this.
She said, well, so I'm on probation.
What I'm asking you is, tell me what happened as a
No,
result.
that's the finalization of it.
Don't tell me
Okay,
what.
May 26th, she was thrown out.
Okay. Okay.
Want justice? Go to justice.com. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Facebook.
Closed captioning sponsored by Judge Judy.
It is clear that this was dismissed.
It was dismissed, Judge, Your Honor,
Judgment for
because
the plaintiff in the amount of $624. Your counterclaim for a broken garage door is wrong. You.